Make a great choice today with the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, heated steering wheel, power brakes, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.